Hello. Now let us see environment setup as well as one sample example in JUnit using Spring Boot. So first of all, we need to have Eclipse IDE in your machine. So go to your Eclipse IDE, and this is my Eclipse IDE. I am opening. Already I have created one workspace. Now I am going to create one more workspace. That is my JUnit 5 workspace. I am creating like this. It will create one workspace. So I am using Eclipse IDE 2020-09. When I am recording, this is the latest IDE for me, and whichever is applicable for you, you can also use any of the latest Eclipse IDE tool. If you are having any Spring tool suite, that also you can use. There is no problem at all. It is added advantage also if you are using Spring tool suite. So see, as I said earlier, Eclipse IDE is also recommended. So we can use Eclipse IDE as of now. Now this is my Eclipse IDE, and I did not create any project. So as I said, this is going to be JUnit with Spring Boot and Maven project. So for Spring Boot, we need to go to the start.spring.io. Here you need to download the project, Spring Boot project. So for that Spring Boot project, we need some dependencies. So these are the dependencies you can take: Spring Web and Dev Tools. So what it is providing is provides fast application restarts, live reload, and configuration for enhanced development experience. So automatically it will compile and restart also. For that we are taking. Now we are going to take as a Maven project a Java, and Spring Boot is 2.6.7, and you can create hello test. I am going to create hello test. Then you can generate package or anything. So you can generate the project. Now my project is created. So go to downloads. Here it will be there, and hello test, and you can extract here. It will ask where you want to extract. You can extract here itself. It is extracted. Now you can go to your project. From here you can import the project. So we are going to do as a Maven project. So you can create as a Maven. You can search Maven. So existing Maven project, because you have downloaded that, that one would be treated as existing project. So you can select next, and from here you can browse. So downloads, go to downloads, and here hello test. You can finish it out. Then it will take some time to download all the dependencies. So here 9% is going on. It will take few seconds of time. Till then we need to wait only. Till it completes, we should not open this project. If we are opening this project, sometimes compilation issues may occur. This is how we environment setup. It is very easy. If you are having Eclipse IDE, you can directly open, and you can go to start.spring.io website. From there you can select a Spring Boot project, and you can import it here. So your project skeleton is ready. Now you can write any of the example. So example hello test we have taken. I am going to create one more package. that is hello.test. Now I am going to do some adding of three values. So add example I am trying. Add project. So we can take add. So here add project is created. I am going to take one example as add example. We can take add example. This is my class add example. And if you can observe the project structure, it is created test packages also. It is created. In this only we are going to write the test cases. So for this I am writing one example. So what I am going to do is public int addition I am doing. So add method I am writing here. And int, so add method what I am doing is int a, int b, int c. So here I am doing is int sum equal to a plus b plus c. So this is how I am going to give add return statement. So it will return the statement as return statement s. So my program is done. Now I need to test this program whether it is functioning or not. So what I have to do is here you can go here and you can write your test class. So you can create whichever, if you want to create package here you can create, or else no need. So you can create add package also, not a problem. So I'm creating add package. So in this I'm going to create. So what is the class name? Add example. So I will create add example test dot java because we are going to do the test. So this is how we are going to do. So for that what we have to do is public void and some method. So add method test. I am going to create like this, and for this what we have to do is at the rate annotation we have to create. At the rate annotation is like this we have to give, so that it will ask what kind of JUnit you are going to download, import. So here it will ask you want to do JUnit 4 or JUnit 5. So you can select JUnit 5. Since it is a simple example, you can select JUnit 5 and it is not creating any issues. So first of all what we have to do is we need to instantiate this class, add example class. So I am going to create one object, add example equal to example. So now I have instantiated this object. Now what I need to do is integer actual result equal to add example dot. So what is the method we have given? Add method. So here it is ABC. So you can give the values a equal to 10 and b equal to 10 and c equal to 10. So what it will do, this method will do ABC, a plus b plus c, 10 plus 10 plus 30. So you know this, you know the expected result. So you can give expected result equal to 30. Then you need to write as it equals. So expected and actual. So you can say that here expected result and actual result. So this is the actual result. So this method will do as it equals. This is what we are going to write. This one only will decide whether our actual result and expected result both are matching. Then this will become as a true. Otherwise, it will become as a false. So now that's all about this program, and we are good to run this program. If no issues are there, we will get a green color output. If any issues are there, we will get brown color output. So you can go here, right click and run as JUnit, and you can see no compilation errors, and the cool, you got the output as, see, you got the green color and no errors, failures are 0. Suppose if you are giving 20 expected result, but here 10, 10, 10, expected result is 20, means definitely this test case is going to fail. So that is the reason whenever developers are writing the code, they must be aware whatever the expected result. So accordingly we need to give, but we can test it. This one will give, the graph will be brown color because it is giving wrong. So test case will be failed. You can see, yes, this test case is failed because expected result is 30 but you are giving us wrong. So that is the reason you have to give like this. You can click right click, or else here also some button is there, you can also run here. It will give the green color output. This is what you need to understand JUnit. Now with this, what we are understanding is any Eclipse IDE and Spring Boot and Maven project we have taken, and we have taken as a small example, and we have written the example like adding up of three values int a, b, c, and integer sum equal to a plus b, and expected result. So like this, this is a small example, and we will see somewhat a difficult example in upcoming session. Till then, thank you.